Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change wallpaper on PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your desktop wallpaper on Windows by downloading a picture from Google. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for an image that you'd like to use as your new wallpaper. Once you've found an image you like, click on it to open the full-size version. Now right-click on the image and select Save Image as to save it to your computer. Choose a location like your Pictures folder for easy access. After the image is downloaded, navigate to the folder where you saved it. Next, right-click on the image file and select Set as Desktop Background. Your wallpaper will instantly change to the new image. A couple of tips here. You can also adjust the positioning of your wallpaper by right-clicking on the desktop, selecting Personalize, and under the Background section, you can choose how the image is displayed, fill, fit, stretch, etc. For a smoother experience, ensure that your image has a resolution that matches your screen for better clarity. A high-resolution image will look sharper and more vibrant. That's it.